Hello everyone and welcome to this demonstration of our intelligent business travel management copilot agent, TravelMate, built using Microsoft Copilot Studio, agent flows, Outlook and Dataverse. In today's fast-paced organizations, managing business travel through emails, spreadsheets and scattered approvals is slow, error-prone and lacks policy control and real-time tracking. Our goal was to build a smart, role-aware conversational agent that streamlines the entire travel request workflow from submission to manager notifications and policy queries, all powered by Microsoft Copilot Studio. Let me now walk you through my how TravelMate works and architecture behind it. The TravelMate Copilot agents deliver three intelligent travel services to employees, like submit a travel request, track submitted travel request by them, or ask travel policy questions, and intelligent travel services to managers, like approve, reject the request, and to track all the requests. So, in a single conversational interface, to enable these actions, we have designed a robust yet lightweighted backend using Dataverse. So, our first table is travel request, stores each travel request submitted by employees and includes the employee name, travel request, destination, start date, end date, estimated cost, the purpose, the status, the manager's comment. The second table, the user role mates table, holds role-based user data like employee name, email, role, like employee or manager. This table enables automatic role detection when user logs in, routing approvals to the correct manager, securing what who can do what. Now, we have also created a Word file that we have provided as a knowledge source to our agent. So it's basically used for the frequently asked questions. It clearly answers to common travel policy questions like allowances, booking rules, or reimbursement limits, uploaded as a generative AI knowledge source. So employees can ask questions naturally. Now let's launch TravelMate. So hi there, I'm here to help you submit a new travel request. Let's get your trip planned quickly and easily. Ready to begin? Say yes. Right off the bat, it greets by username, and also the agent identifies the user's role at login using the role made table in Dataverse, enabling us to customize the flow for each user, whether they are an employee or a manager. It feels smart, responsive, and enterprise ready. So let's get your trip started. Where would you like to begin? So let's submit a new travel request. The agent collects all required details in a clear and friendly way. So first, where are you planning to travel? Let's see. New York City. Okay, got it. When will your trip start? Let's say 15th of August. And when will your trip end? Let's say 20th of August. The purpose of this trip, let's say tech conference. The estimated cost for this trip, let's say 1.5 lakh rupees. So here's your trip summary. Destination, start date, end date, purpose, estimated cost. Does everything look correct? Yes, submit it. Once submitted, TravelMate calls a Power Automate flow that instantly sends a confirmation message to the employee in chat. Yes, your travel request has been submitted successfully, and saves the request in Dataverse. So let's refresh our Dataverse table. As we can see, our newly generated request has been updated over here. It also auto triggers an Outlook email to the manager with all trip details. As we can see, the manager receives a clean professional email. Hi, a new travel request has been submitted. Requested by destination, start date, end date, purpose, estimated cost. Please review it in the system. So no spreadsheets, no manual follow-ups, everything is tracked by the start from the start. Now let's track our request. So go back to the main menu, track your travel request. So let's say track our travel request. The employee clicks the track request, and in seconds, the agent pulls all the trips from Dataverse. So here is your travel request history. This is in the past we have generated, and this is the current request that we have generated just now. So This is powered by a dedicated flow that filters requests from the logged in user and formats them beautifully with emojis and making travel data clear and actionable inside chat. So next up, how can you help? How can I help you? Would you like to add a new travel request or ask a question about the travel policy? So let's see, ask a question about the travel policy. Now, let's ask a question. Do I need to book ticket travel myself? Let's provide the question. What would you like to know about our travel policies? Let's say, do I need to book travel myself? So, no, once your travel request is approved, the travel coordinator or designated agency will handle your bookings unless self-booking is pre-approved. And the reference that has been used for this answer is the document that we have provided. So the PDF FAQ we uploaded and replies instantly in plain language. As we can see, the reference that is being used to answer this question is the Word file that we have provided. If the employee wants, they can ask another question or return to the main menu. Keep the experience simple and human like. So let's say, no, take me back. Uh, Now, let's see what a manager can do with TravelMate. For that, we have to change our role in our manager table to manager. And let's refresh our agent. So hi there. Let's begin. Let's see. Yes. When a manager logs in, a TravelMate recognizes their role and provided special options like travel all request or review and approve travel request. The manager can view all full list of submitted travel requests from every employee, like request ID, employee name, destination, everything. Or he can approve or reject request. So let's say approve or reject request. So here's the full travel request list. So here are all the travel requests that has been generated earlier. So let's approve our own request. So you can now choose to approve, reject, or update requests as needed. So please enter the request ID you would like to update. So let's update our own request. For that, the request ID is 1006. That's it, 1006. Do you want to approve or reject this request? Let's say approve. Please add comments. Would you like to? So the update successful. Request ID 1006. New status approved. Managers come and have fun. Your decision has been recorded. So would you like to update another travel request or exit? Let's say exit. A dedicated Power Automate flow updates the request status in Dataverse and sends real-time confirmation back to the employee. So we can just approve and reject another. Let's select this once and we can see the status of the request has been approved and the manager's comment have fun. So let's TravelMate. So thus, after every task, TravelMate asks, do you want to submit another request, track an existing request, ask a policy question, return to main menu. This structure looping keeps the experience smooth and fully self-guided. So what does TravelMate change for us? Faster travel approvals, no email chains or manual tracking, fewer errors, structured data, consistent flows, centralized travel history for employees and managers, instant answers for common policy questions, no extra HR work, thus real-time updates for all stakeholders, employees, managers, and HR. Stay in sync. So it's a modern travel companion that works 24/7. To sum up, TravelMate isn't just a chatbot, it's an intelligent co pilot for managing all business travel tasks like submission, tracking, approvals, and frequently asked questions end to end. Thank you for watching this demo. We are excited to roll out TravelMate and keep improving the way our teams travel for work. Thank you.